Mabuhay ka, mabuhayers! Welcome to my vlog. I am your retired teacher being Erlina being Basilio Rindo. Once again, here is my favorite charcoal ice cream here in Davao City. Wow, so tasty. Come now, everyone. We are located here in just nearby the City Hall of Davao. Oh, name please. Sir, manawagan na ka. O, ilong good gurney. Dali na mo.
Palit na mo guys cream.
Oh,
20 lang.
tangalan. Oh, 20 pesos.
Kenneth.
Kenneth who?
Kenneth J.
J?
Oh.
Subscribe that. Tonight I will be posting in my YouTube Mabuhay channel. Mabuhay channel, Erlinda being Basilio Rindon. What are the ingredients, sir? Ano ang ingredients? Ano? Organic, mangustin. Ano pa? Ilonggo ko ba? Ilonggo girl.
Wala na siya man. Kay vanilla.
Vanilla. No extra mga kasila ko dawas ko lang. Wow, so healthy. Made of mangosteen according to Sir Pinit. Oh, what are you waiting for? Are you cravings for charcoal ice cream? Just come here nearby City Hall of Davao, and sometimes you are in Magsaysay, about in front of Gaisano. Ruas, wala mo.
Naapo dito mo.
Wala.
Naapo dito mo.
Ano?
Night market.
Night market daw. Ruas night market. But I love to be here in City Hall of Davao. That's City Hall. It's raining. So, dali na ka mo. Baka lanay diri o, lagaw diri sa Davao. Magkaon kita sang namit-namit nga ice cream about kid. Sa amon to, ginapiko, ginapala ang kwarta. Pero, ang utang gina, bulldozer man. Amo na ilonggo, hambog daw kami. Pero, wala man daw bayad ang magkita. Okay, so, come now to Kenneth J. Black Charcoal. Special ice cream. We accept orders for birthdays, weddings, so on so forth.
Yes, ma'am.
How much is one tube?
2K.
Ha?
2K.
2K. Good. Special delivery.
Yes.
Ano pa ang ibang nga flavor ng
Buwan ni siya ma'am. Na ay mango. Na ay
mango?
kissing cream. Tapos,
Strawberry? Meron ka?
wala ma'am.
Oh, mango is available. Bukoy do. Wala.
Wala.
Cookies and cream. Yeah. But so common kasi ang marami na. Tamo lang ko sila na nakaon. Mas gusto ko ang charcoal. Wala dito sa mlang. Pero dahil na ko nakitinyo. So, charcoal o Kenneth J. Black Charcoal. Okay. That's it for your all is well. Come now to Davao. Dali na ka mo diri ba? Bakal na ta. O, kaon. Logsong na diri abat sa akon diri sa Davao. Mga kamabuhayers kang magkaon sang ice cream. 20 lang o, 20 pesos. Ay, abaw gid pero kita ra ka barato. May libre ka nga. Kalanawon, may dab. Oh, may kalapati dira. So, this is my picture. Namit. This the charcoal ice cream. No, okay lang. So, I'm your teacher vlogger, Teacher Big. Erlinda being Basilio Rindon, live and alive. Here in front of City Hall of Davao City. Life is here. Mabuhay, magandang buhay. Mabuting tao, magandang buhay. Mabuting tao. Magandang buhay, mabuting tao. Long live, good person, good life. Good life, good person. If what you have done is not excellent, you have done nothing. If there's no picture or video, it did not happen. God is good all the time. Signing off, Mama Buhay, Ma'am Selfie Queen, vlogger of the century, and of course, your Ma'am Darna with Sir Kenneth J. here. Apelido, sir? Secret? Apelido. Sige, secret. Look for me, Mabuhay channel.
Mabuhay ka.
Erlinda being Basilio Rindon with read count. So I will post tonight. My Wi-Fi man sa balay. Sa mo niya, Ilonggo girl. Signing off. Mabuhay until my next vlog. Thank you everyone with my signing off with my charcoal ice cream. Buhay!